How to convert zip into APK on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a zip file into APK file on your Android device. It's super simple and I'll walk you through the steps one by one. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the File Manager app on your phone. And here, once inside the File Manager app, simply locate the zip file. And here, once you have located the zip file, just select that file and after that simply tap on the more button shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on rename and after that, change the file extension name to .zip to .apk. And here, once you're done renaming it, just tap on OK. And after that, you might see a warning saying that changing the file extension could make the file unusable. So here you don't need to worry since we are converting the file intentionally. So here just tap on OK and that's it. Now your file is in the APK. And here you just simply need to tap on it to begin the installation process. So here just make sure that your device allow app installs from unknown sources. And that's it. That's how you can convert a zip file into APK on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.